we flew into Dallas on Sunday, and then we flew right back late last night. It was a quick trip, so this resonated with me in particular. Expedia, the travel company, conducted a poll asking flyers to name the most annoying types of airline passengers. And I was going to read this list to you. It's very entertaining, but I thought it'd be more interesting if we acted out for you. So without further ado, here they are, according to Expedia, the most annoying people on the plane. All right? The first category of offender is Chatty Charlie. This is the guy who will talk to you nonstop during the flight.
Hello. Hello, what's your name? Where are you from? What is it you do? My name is Patrick. I'm English. Like the muffins. I've read that book. She dies in the end. Oops! Spoiler alert!
Next up, we have what they call the stinky snacker. You know him well. This is the guy who brings his own messy, disgusting food on board.
I'm feeling a little peckish. Time for a day-old tuna sub. And a slice of camembert. Delicious. Would you like to try it? What about you, sir? You can have both if you really want. Suit yourselves.
Next, we have the seat climber. The seat climber, this is the guy who climbs over you to get to the bathroom. He doesn't wait for you to move. He doesn't ask if he just goes.
Time to go to the loo. To the loo I go. Oh, oops. I'm so sorry. Pardon. I'm so sorry. Oh, my God. Pardon my genitals, which were nearly in your mouth. Oh, I forgot my toothbrush. Toothbrush! Where's my toothbrush?
There he goes back again. All right, next. This might be the worst one. The seat kicker. This is a person who cannot or will not control his leg. This is the person that keeps kicking and kicking the back of your seat.
This Tyler Perry movie is so funny. I can't help kicking the seat in front of me in hysterical laughter.
And last but not least, the landing clapper. Now, this is the person who bursts into spontaneous applause the moment the plane touches down.
Bravo! Bravo! Well done! Wasn't it a glorious landing? Splendid stuff. Encore! Encore! Let's go up again! What a triumphant achievement in flight! Bravo! And the pilot couldn't have done it without you.
Those are the most annoying people on the plane, as illustrated by Sir Patrick Stewart.